in Colorado. He's got experience doing this, and that's a big fly there from Story, which may get him a bonus.
Making me forget how to speak English, going straight to the Spanish right here.
Oh boy, every one of these is a no-doubter. Here to defend and here to post a huge number. He is hitting the ball very hard.
He is.
I mean, the carry on his ball, and watch this one go to that upper deck in right. There's another moonshot. Just a couple of pitches that were right where he wanted them. That one was a perfect one, down and in, and he got that one.
I mean, advantage right now goes to Juan Soto.
During a at-bat in the game for Soto, he gets in that crouch, and he is 2 for 2.
Oh, woo. Man, that one was hit. His swing is not designed for pull.
He's got himself right back in this competition.
Yes, he has.
Right back in it. Will this one count? That's a little after the buzzer, but he's right back in this thing. That's way gone. Ohtani top deck. Ohtani top deck. Griff, what do you see? A homer. Ohtani's hitting close to the moon.
Whee!
Here he goes. And Shohei Ohtani. Not yet. With 22, the number. Oh boy. Well, there's your bonus already. Wow. 2 to win it. He's not missing. 1 more to win it as Alonso comes out of the timeout.